how to publish Google Slides to the web. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how you can easily publish your Google Slides to the web. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up a Google Chrome and then go to the Google Slides that you want to publish. Then on the top left, go to File, and then you'll see Share option. And here you can find Publish to Web. Tap on it, and then you can change the settings of auto advanced slides. You can set it to every second, every 2 seconds, every five, every 3, 5, or 10 seconds according to your wish. And then you can even tick on start slideshow as soon as the player loads, restart the slideshow after the last slide. And once you're done with changing the settings, you can just hit publish. And that's it. Your Google Slides will be published to the web. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.